In this video, we will consider this example or numerical problem in which a figure is given in a form of a circle where a particle moves along a circular path of radius r. It starts from point A and moves anti-clockwise. So we have to find the distance traveled by this particle as it in the form of 4 cases. First case है कि when it moves from A to B, and second we have when this particle moves from A to C. For third part, when this particle moves A to D, and fourth when it completes a revolution, मतलब for a complete one revolution around this circle. So basically we have to take these 4 cases and we will find the distance traveled. Now let us take this solution. We have this for this circle given in this figure. Now for first case we have to find the distance to A to B. We will have to find this distance A to B. Now you all know that for finding this 1/4 of your 1/4 of your distance of this circle, which will be what, 1/4 of the perimeter, or you can say circumference of the circle, and you can easily calculate like this. Similar is the case for finding displacement. Displacement is what, the shortest path between this AB. If we take this right angle triangle, then you can easily find this AB length. Here you have find it out and it comes out to be √2 of into my r. Now the case 2 comes where we have to find the distance from A to this half circle point C. So now again you will find the circumference for this half circle, then you will find the distance covered from A to C. It will be equals to pi r. And for finding displacement, displacement is what, it is also equals to this, since you have to find the shortest path between A and C points, initial and final points का जो डिफरेंस है वो क्या होता है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट. तो यू कैन easily calculate this part also. Next we have the part 4, finding the distance between A to this 3/4 of this circumference. You have to cover the distance by this particle. So finding distance, you can easily calculate this, I hope so. And for finding displacement, you have to find this shortest path again, and that will come again to be √2 r, as you can see here. And for entire complete circle, which is the case for the 4th, you can find out the complete distance to be 2 pi r, and the displacement is what, the difference in the position, initial and final position, which comes out to be 0. So the displacement is what, is 0 here in this case. This was your numerical. I hope so you understand this.